Human reproduction is a biological process through which new human life is created. We'll focus on the female reproductive system, discussing the meaning of menstruation, menstrual hygiene, ovulation, and the signs of ovulation. Menstruation, also known as a period or monthly, is the regular discharge of blood and mucosal tissue from the inner lining of the uterus through the vagina. The first period usually begins between 12 and 15 years of age, a point in time known as menarche. The menstrual cycle occurs due to the rise and fall of hormones. This cycle results in the thickening of the lining of the uterus and the growth of an egg, which is required for pregnancy. The egg is released from an ovary around day 14 in the cycle. The thickened lining of the uterus provides nutrients to an embryo after implantation. If pregnancy does not occur, the lining is released in what is known as menstruation. 1. Choose your method of sanitation. 2. Change regularly. 3. Don't use soap or any vagina hygiene product. 4. Wash yourself regularly. 5. Use the right washing techniques. 6. Discard your used sanitary product properly. 7. Beware of a pad rash. 8. Use only one method of sanitation at a time. 9. Have a bath regularly. 10. Be ready with the on-the-go stuff during period. Ovulation is the process where a mature egg is released from the ovary. This typically occurs around day 14 of a 28-day menstrual cycle. If sperm is present, the egg may be fertilized, leading to pregnancy. If not, the egg dissolves, and the menstrual cycle continues. Check the calendar. Keep a menstrual calendar for a few months so you can get an idea of what's normal for you, or use tools that can help you calculate ovulation. Listen to your body. If you're like 20% of women, your body will send you a memo when it's ovulating, in the form of a twinge of pain or a series of cramps in your lower abdominal area. Chart your temperature. That is, your basal body temperature, or BBT. Taken with a special thermometer, your BBT is the baseline reading you get first thing in the morning, after at least 3 to 5 hours of sleep and before you get out of bed, talk, or even sit up. Get to know your cervix. One detectable sign of oncoming ovulation is the position of the cervix itself. During the beginning of a cycle, your cervix, that neck-like passage between your vagina and uterus that has to stretch during birth to accommodate your baby's head, is low, hard, and closed. After ovulation, the egg is swept into the fallopian tube and drifts along, brushed by waves of hair-like cilia toward the womb. The sperm will typically meet the egg in the lower quadrant of a fallopian tube and start to swarm around the egg. Understanding menstruation and ovulation helps women monitor their reproductive health and manage their menstrual cycle. Practicing good menstrual hygiene and recognizing the signs of ovulation can help with family planning and overall well-being.